There was a lot of questions about this tattoo printer. A lot of you don't believe that it can print on usual paper like that. Some people wrote in the comments that it just print the picture, it's not the stencil. So I will show you in one cut video without any cuts, and I will show you how it works. And I will print on this printer thermal stencil, stencil on thermal paper, and the same on the regular copy paper, for inkjet printer, usual A4 paper that you can buy in any store. And will print and will put on my skin the stencil, and you will see that this is thermal printer of new generation, and I see nothing like that before. One more time I will explain how it works. If you want to print normal thermal stencil on thermal printer, so you use special paper and just empty this printer. Close it, put your paper, use application, push print, and this will print on this paper that was created special for thermal printers. If you want to use usual paper like that, use this ribbon, put here, close, put usual paper and print, and you will have your stencil on usual paper. So let's see. What side? Yellow down, I think. Now, after I tried stencil on usual paper, I almost don't use thermal paper. Okay. I think wrong side. I really forgot how to do it after this month, almost 1 month I using this printer, and I love it. I don't need stencil thermal paper anymore. Okay, this side. I think it's enough. Okay, you see, we have first stencil. And now I will put the ribbon here, close it, take usual paper, okay, and print. I think it's too much density. Now I will try to make it some less, because you know, when it's too much inks on the stencil, it's not really good. Okay, middle. Okay, this one is perfect. Yes, I know, I do it really brutal. Now I will take this picture. If someone still not believe that it's stencil, not regular picture. Okay, here. Clean it really good before you put the stencil on the skin. If someone will write in the comments why I don't use gloves, believe me, I will not thinking very good about you. I just showing you how to put the stencil. I'm not tattooing. Voila! I hope now you believe that it's really stencil, not picture only. Till it's fresh. Oh. Okay. Now I will have my own mandala lotus on my hand. So manly. But I hope now you understand how amazing this stuff. So check the link under video, use my code. It's not really expensive, it's funny price for this kind of stuff. About ribbons, I asked guys from Yilong and they told me that it will be available soon. It will be not expensive, but now they can't sell it free and separately. But in the box you have 2 ribbons, I think, and it will be really enough for a long time. And I think when it will be finished, you can use it twice, I think. Other side. You see? I think something you can use twice. See, I made few tattoos already with this. So in general, highly recommend, it's really great stuff. Check the link, use the code. See you next time.